So hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 287, that is find the duplicate number, and in this we'll be given an array of integers nums containing n plus 1 integers where each integer is in the range 1 plus n exclusive, and there is only one repeated number in nums, and that number might be repeated any number of times, and we have to you must solve the problem without modifying the array nums and use only constant extra space, that is 4 means of one space. And for this what we can do is we are allowed, like we are advised not to use a extra space which can be a set or a visited array. So for that what we'll be doing is I'll just explain that. For example, if we are at 1, what I'll be doing is I'll be going at 1 and I'll be marking its index as negative. That means it has been already visited. Basically I'll not be marking the index, but I'll be marking the number present on that index. Okay, so then what I'll be doing is that means my 1 is marked, then I'll be going on 3 and I'll be marking the third index as negative. That means it's visited. Fourth index again, then 2, this means that my this index will be marked, and then when I'll be having 2 again, I'll be checking that if this number is less than 0 or if this number is negative, that means we have already visited that particular index. So and the number is my that particular number which is repeating again. Okay, so we firstly I'll be just solving it without changing, modifying the array back to its original space. You can do that, but even if you do like for int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length, or let's just do it in a more easier way that no, okay, yeah, num and nums, what I'll be doing is I'll be checking that my current element is equal to the absolute value of num, and then I'll be checking that if my nums current is less than 0, that means that is my answer, and I'll be returning my the current. Okay, and else what I'll be doing is I'll be marking the nums current with -1 equal to minus means I'll be just changing its value to negative, and if I'll not finding answer, that is not the case, we'll be returning -1. And let's run it now. uh, yeah, and it gets accepted. Now it's submitted. What you can do is you can mark instead of returning, you can store this value somewhere and then return. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.